1000 horsepower new Taycan. Guys, I think it's really unique situation because here we have Porsche 911 GT3 RS, here we have LAX airport, and this is insane because that's how our trip to the world premiere with Porsche to Laguna Seca looks like. That's insane. So get ready for this world premiere with 1000 horsepower new Taycan. And let's start with this experience with driving 911 GT3 RS in LAX airport. That's insane. Let's go. Guys, this is really absolutely incredible experience because look, 911 GT3 RS, huge planes, Alexei here, I'm here, and we both of us were really shocked about this experience, and I'm sure that people who is right now sitting there, they really enjoyed this view and they are trying to understand what is going on, why these two guys here with 911 making this content, because this is a special project between Porsche and Delta Airlines. But it's time to go to our world premiere. Yeah guys, we're still in LAX airport, still driving around because that's too cool. And also I wanted to say you before we will take off to San Jose to the world premiere, I want to tell you how you can have an opportunity to be driven on 911 GT3 RS in LAX airport. Oh my god, this aircraft is so huge. So you should have Delta 360 or Delta VIP level, and if you have it, you can order such incredible taxi directly to your plane. That's incredible, guys. That's just incredible. All right, see you in San Jose. Time to move on. Thank you, Delta. Thank you, Porsche. Life is beautiful. Cheers.
Let's go.
Welcome to Monterey, guys. So we are here. And look at this view. It's so beautiful here. Oh my god. So today we have a dinner with my colleagues. It will be SuperCarBlondie team, my other good friends, and that's insane. And let me show you my room. So this Intercontinental hotel, the price of such room right now with taxes is $900. Pretty expensive, but in Monterey everything is expensive because this is very popular and cool place. Yeah, so can't wait for the dinner with Porsche family and can't wait to hit the track tomorrow with 1000 plus horsepower world premiere. Let's go.
I know you guys, yo.
Guys, good morning from Laguna Seca racetrack, and here is the world premiere. Soon I will show it to you. That's amazing. Very good morning. I can't wait to see you. Oof. Guys, so here is the world premiere. This is all new Porsche Taycan Turbo GT with Weissach Package. This one is almost 1100 horsepower, 2.2 seconds to 100 kilometers per hour, so to 60 miles it will be even faster. And what we're gonna do right now, so colleagues from Porsche will try to set a record on the Laguna Seca. The record right now, lap time, the most fastest one is 1 minute and 33 seconds, and today we will see how they will try to beat this record with this insane Porsche Taycan Turbo GT with Weissach Package. So Yeah, that should be crazy. Let's go and see how everything is going on here, and then during the day, step by step, I will tell you all the main information, all the main highlights. We'll make launch starts, and yeah, it will be more information about the vehicle. Let's go. Guys, so right now, folks from Porsche already on the racetracks trying to set a new record on a Laguna Seca. Very exciting moment. I have a goosebumps really, and so during the next, I think, 2 hours maybe, we will see how they're trying to set this new record on the Laguna Seca, and then we will work with the car individually. We'll show you all the main highlights. We'll make launch starts, and overall, guys, I'm so happy to be back on the world premieres. It was very difficult way to come back to the car industry on a top level after relocation to the US, but we made it, and I'm very happy to show you all these great things. Here you can see what is going on the racetrack. What about pulse? Yeah, that's very cool to see all the information. Look, speed, how the guy feels himself, footage from the drone, like everything. Yeah. Alright guys, so right now we're waiting in line to make a launch start to fill these 2.1 seconds to 60 miles. Yeah, and during this time while we are waiting, let's go through main highlights of new Taycan Turbo GT. Let's go. So here we have 1092 horsepower, 1340 Newton meters of torque, or 988 pounds of torque. With Weissach Package, it's doing from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 2.2 seconds and to 200 kilometers per hour in 6.4 seconds. Without Weissach Package, just regular Taycan Turbo GT, we have 2.3 seconds to 100 kilometers and 6.6 seconds to 200 kilometers per hour. For example, this Taycan Turbo GT is without Weissach Package, and the weight of it is 2,290 kilograms. And with Weissach Package, it's lighter for 70 kilograms, 2,220 kilograms. Huge difference, guys. So in Europe, pricing is starting at 240,000 euro. Serious money for serious car, but I'm sure that sales will be very good because this is one of the most fastest electric cars in history, and that's amazing. So inside we have the same steering wheel like on 911s, beautiful, gorgeous. And also here we have attack button, attack mode, which gives you plus 160 horsepower for 10 seconds. Also on Taycan Turbo GT we have 21-inch wheels, forged wheels with huge carbon ceramic brakes, and also overall this is facelifted new Taycan, so we have new LED lights in front, very crazy aero, and overall front bumper is so sporty and so sexy. I love it, love it! And also with facelift we have some cool features in the back. For example, Porsche logo is now illuminated. Look how sexy it looks like, I love it. Also on this Taycan Turbo GT without Weissach package, we have very nice ducktail carbon wing. Look, it's very beautiful splitters, so a lot of aero all the way around, and also of course a lot of carbon fiber, for example here, and even carpets inside. made with carbon fiber. Look how beautiful. Oh my God, I would like to take such carpets to my home. And also, if we're talking about rear seats, here in regular Taycan Turbo GT, we have rear seats. But in Taycan Turbo GT with Weissach package, we don't have them because folks from Porsche removed it to make it lighter. So that's how step by step they could remove up to 70 kilograms of weight, which is really a lot. Here is our record driver who finally set 1 minute 27.91. This is new record for this racetrack. That's amazing. That's amazing. A day to remember. If we are talking about range on this crazy electric car, the range is 380 miles or 555 kilometers. That's a lot, guys. What do you think? And I'm in love, guys, with this amazing wing in Weissach with Weissach package. It looks so aggressive. Oh my God. All right, waiting for the launch start and for taxi rides. Good. Guys, and also, if you are real Porsche fans, I want to tell you that in a few days with Porsche USA, we will fly to Spain to drive all new Panamera Turbo. So stay tuned for more content on my channel. Yeah, and overall I'm very happy and proud that Porsche USA made a choice with me. I mean, like, it will be only 10 media from the US and I will be one of these 10 media, and I appreciate it a lot. Thank you guys for support. I'm very happy that in all social medias we are doing very cool big results for car brands, and because of it they're giving new opportunities to film to you guys this amazing content. So guys, amazing situation. We are getting ready to make my launch start. I'm very happy to get the info that I will be by the wheel, so to get like 100% of feelings. Yeah, so it's a lot of cameras inside, so it will be possible to show you it in the best way. Thanks to our colleagues from Porsche for such a great preparation. That's amazing. Right now SuperCarBlondie is doing her runs, and then I'm jumping in. Let's go. All right. Epic. Let's go. Hello, boss. Up. Very, very same. Up. Up. Right, guys, getting ready to start. I feel myself very stable right now. Very stable. Good. I'm already wet a little bit. That's amazing. Such a great power. This is love.
We start off with 1.4 G.
Oh my God. Ready to fly to the moon. That was amazing. Thank you so much, sir.
That was a pleasure.
Yeah, thank you. Guys, that was really incredible, and it's not just awards, so I didn't expect that it will be such a huge difference between my feelings when I was driving Porsche Taycan Turbo S before the facelift with 761 horsepower. So, and here we have a crazy, how to say, performance switch up, right? So from 761 horsepower to 1,000 and almost 100 horsepower, and you can feel it. Oh my God. So car is making very, how to say, it's like very powerful launch start with all the wheels spinning, and then the second gear, again little spin and crazy feelings. And overall, let's move out from a racetrack because my colleague is getting ready to make a drive, and that's good. I'm happy for this person. That's amazing. Yeah, so, and overall it's crazy. Daily car with over 1000 horsepower. Just try to remember what did we have like 10-15 years ago, and what do we have now. I remember how I was driving my Saab 9.5 Aero, and I thought that I'm a cool guy and fast guy with my 300 horsepower. And now we have this, so can't wait for next steps in future. So looks like in next 10 years we'll drive like 2000 horsepower cars. We'll see. Guys, so next step in this event for me and for you guys is a racing taxi on 1100 horsepower Porsche Taycan Turbo GT with Weissach Package. Ah, so good. Yeah, so can't wait for it, and after it we'll have opportunity to film cars out from the racetrack. That's good. And overall, please give me a feedback, guys. What do you think? How good is this review? For this moment, I think it's pretty good because I gave you all the main numbers, all the main highlights. We made a launch start. I showed you it as well. Like, gave you all the vibe of what is going on here. So I think it's pretty good. But leave your comment and give me your opinion. It's important. Let's move on and waiting for the racetrack. Boom. Let's go. Getting ready to drive. Yeah, I think. Yeah. Let's start our session with Porsche Doctor. Taycan Turbo GT power, guys! Whoa, so cool! Amazing! Woo! That was just sex on the wheels. Amazing! Thank you! Wow! Guys, I was really impressed. So, oh my god, so new Taycan Turbo GT in the right hands, with all-wheel drive, with electric power, with 1100 horsepower. That's insane weapon on the racetrack, and probably it was enough horsepower for you with this one, right? It goes.
Can always be more.
Well, yeah. So yeah. Let's upgrade like 200 more. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah. I'll ask them. Amazing, thank you so much. It was very crazy feelings. Probably my first ride with professional driver with such powerful electric car. It's very crazy experience, very hot, amazing. Paradise, guys, Porsche paradise. Guys, so it's time to say bye, and overall, thank you so much for being with us. Can't wait to see your comments. Please give me your feedback. Was it enough of information, vibe, feelings, and everything? We try to do our best. Yeah, and see you soon on next great events with good cars and good people. Hello from Laguna Seca, and see you next time somewhere else. Let's go!